Hey, I'm Limbs Games, and this is going to be a different type of video for this channel. Now, if you guys know me and you watch this channel for a while, you'll know that I play a lot of games, and some that I do and some that I don't record. But at the end of the day, these games for me just get, well, boring. So during my boredom stage, I like to deep dive into YouTube, and I came across this channel here, and along with that channel, this channel here called Pixel Overload, where I followed their tutorials. Well, not really followed, I just more like was inspired by their work and really enjoyed their style of videos and realized that I enjoy pixel art. And yeah, eventually I came across this channel called Dead Unicorn, which had a bunch of really cool videos, especially these ones here where it's a video of them showcasing the development of their game called Return. Now, I immediately fell in love with this game's art style, and I decided that I would like to make a game, not the same, but similar art style, and except with samurais. So I haven't really done many games in the past. I'm definitely an amateur game developer. I've made like a few small projects, like this one where I get the parallax and the player movement basics kind of going. It took me a little while to get that together, but another one here where I've followed the tile map system with some more pixel art, just kind of learning the basics of Unity and how 2D player movement works, and um, following tutorials online to help get my grounds a bit better. The main thing was that I learned something here, and I even had a go at 3D, and as you can see, I kind of added this type of filter thing to the game that makes it look similar to Lethal Company, as you can see on the bottom, because I did enjoy that game. But yeah, learning this 3D, I got to learn, as you can see at the top, I got to learn world building, assets, and all that type of stuff, so that was pretty good. I then decided to look online for some assets to help me jumpstart in my development process. I came across this Samurai uh, asset pack where has all the basic stuff which I can modify and have a license for. I also came across this one here, which has a bunch of different player movement models that you can kind of like use an Sprite and basically tailor it to your game experience. So I got both of those. I then hopped over into Sprite and made myself this 2D pixel parallax cherry blossom field thing with Japanese style elements. Each of these different layers kind of has, like a different part of the piece of artwork on it, so that when I pop that in Unity, I can then add them all different layers into the parallax, and then it kind of gives you this really nice, 3D effect. Well, not 3D, but, parallax. I just stole a couple bits of code from my old projects that I just showed you guys just before, so I slapped that into the artwork along with our little player here. I just got this little player from that pack that I bought, and yeah, as you can see, I just kind of laid everything out nice and tidy, gave it extra like widths for the tiles, and yeah, if we have a look at this main camera, you can kind of see, but then yeah, I got all these scripts and our components and whatnot. I've just kind of been learning this, but then if we give it a go, you guys can kind of see just how the game plays. And yeah, basically it's nothing too special just yet. It's a little bit buggy, but that's something I can fix in future devlogs. Definitely the bugs, maybe some player animations proper, customizing the character to our liking, and maybe working on the hitboxes a little better. And then eventually I'd like to add some enemies and stuff, but until then, yeah, this is just all I've got done so far. I just wanted to share this progress with you guys. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.